to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be filming how DIY Confetti Popper. So all you need is a toilet paper roll, tape, sticky notes, and a balloon, and a scissor. So let's get this started. So, first step, cut the scissor. Literally, make it straight though, it has to be straight. And just cut the top part of it. Okay? So there you have it. And it should be like this. And open it and just cut that tip off. Throw that away. You don't need that anymore. Now you see the bottom. Cover it. This might be hard to do, but make sure to stretch it first. Then, but this, okay guys, this has to be on the middle under the top thingy, so then it'll be perfect. Okay guys, so it should look like this. This should be on the under middle, but I don't know why it's squished. Hey, but it'll still work. So, and now to hold the pressure tight, tape it with some blue tape. And now we tape it so when we pull the thingy on it, it doesn't, flake. Me or pea stick, so we covered that side already. And guys, it doesn't matter the toilet paper roll, it looks ugly. You can just color it how much you want. And same goes for the sticky notes, which now we're gonna put in. You can do any type of color you want, like multicolor, that'll make it more colorful, but we're only gonna do one color. It's an example. So, we're going to, you just basically cut them off. First, we start as line one side. Okay, start the speed on. So now we have only this much in. You guys can put way more if you want to, but we need kind of speed up the process. So now let me show you what it should do. Yay! And it's also reusable, guys. You guys can keep doing this how much you want. Let's go, Will. That sounds like a success to me. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. And other than that, I've been the boy Samuel, and we're out. Peace!